Okay, we're making BIBIM GUKSU, which is a cold, spicy Korean noodle. My wife and I started liking this dish when we were in Korea, and so we've been trying to find the best place that has it here in New York, but today I'm going to try and make it. This recipe I found on Cafe Maddie, so we're just gonna add garlic to a bowl, and then we're gonna do 4 tablespoons of gochujang, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons sugar, and 1 tablespoon gochugaru flake. Oh shit, or a little more than 1 tablespoon. The sauce is done. Next we'll cut some cucumber. Okay, cucumber done. I'm also gonna make a little bit of beef. Do 2 packs of somen noodles. A little olive oil to this pan. These noodles are done. Noodles in here. Get some ice cubes. Then we get an ice cube into the sauce just to cool it off. Noodles in. And now we mix. A little taste. Go. Oh, spicy. Some cucumber on the side. A hard-boiled egg. I'll put that right here. Probably a little bit of beef right here. And sesame seeds. Okay, I'm gonna serve this. Goodbye.